Welcome to Last Beach 365, and for today's video we're gonna do a bit of fishing. And right before we left out in the morning, this is what we saw. Long time I see one big sail. So after that very cool start to the morning, myself and Captain J, we headed out to sea to see if we could troll for some tuna and bonita. After the morning started out like that back there on the beach, I should have known that it was going to be a very fun-filled day. Yeah, now we have a first though. What? Yes, so after we caught those two tunas, we decided that we were going to pull the fish pots. And those are fish pots that were set the day before. So that's what we decided to do. As much as we tried to catch some more tuna or bonita afterwards, I guess our luck ran out. So fish pots coming up. And while the captain was taking the fish out of the fish pot, this pelican decided to pull up and ask for something to eat. So we did give him something to eat.
You get there already?
Yeah, take tooks. Go ahead, you blood clean.
Boy. I want that.
And right here we're just putting back some bait into the pot. So for bait we use like plantain, breadfruit, pieces of bread, and the belly of the tuna that we caught before. We also put that in there. That's a nice bait when you want to catch some snapper. So the spot that we took the fish pot from originally, we drifted from there and ended in a spot that was too shallow. So the captain decided to just drive the boat back over to where the deeper spot was and let the fish pot fall there. It's a little bit deeper and it's a better spot to set it. See this one?
It's doing the wheel for this. Yes, a grass though. Better than the first spot. I'm not fishing if the goldfish then come back.
Okay.
Now I have to catch the goldfish then.
looking at here is our catch for the morning session. It's not the best, not the most, but still, it felt good that we caught something. Every day is a fishing day, but not every day is a catching day, so. Plus, we had one more surprise before we actually got back to the beach for the morning. Okay, we got some dolphins. Yeah, we got dolphins. Woo!
Wow! Yeah!
Heading out right now to catch some fish, but we have some rain passing over. Just a bit of rain. It's been going on for about 20 minutes. So maybe in another half an hour or so it will clear up. And then we'll be heading out. Or you tend to catch more bonita when you get a little bit of rain. So this might be a good thing. We just have to wait and see. Oy! Double rainbow, everybody! Double rainbow! Woo! Alright, so Captain, hook up right now. All 3 lines. This is actually the first strike of the evening session. All 3 lines are fish on them. The captain is going to show just how skilly he is. All 3 lines. Alright, that one broke off. This one is still tight. Here we go, another one. You normally see going so far, that's true. Alright, we'll give the captain a hand now. We fished for maybe another hour and a half before we decided to head back in. And this evening especially was a very beautiful evening. The sunset was unbelievable. And all in all we caught, I think it was 7 or 8 fish. So it was a good evening. You on the phone again then? January, the sunset hot this evening. Yeah. You see blue them.
Mad.
Let me always tell a man say, you know, when the sky too clear, you can't get to a nice sunset. You have to have the cloud them for the color them bounce off. Okay guys, so if you like the video, please leave a like, a comment, and please share the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.